Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to give access to Facebook business page. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to go to your Facebook account, and over here you can see this is my Facebook account. On the right hand side, click on your page and switch to your Facebook page. Alright, here you can see we are on our Facebook account right now. So to give access to the Facebook business page, what you have to do is click on your profile. Here you can see we are on our Facebook page profile. So now what you have to do is, on the left hand side you can see the various options. What you have to do is click on the settings, and once you have clicked on settings, here you'll be able to see new page experience. So here you can see new pages experience option. Click over here, and here you can see we have the option for page access, and here you can see we have the option for people with task access, people with Facebook access, and here you can see business portfolio access as well. So here you have to manage. If you want to add a person to give them the access to Facebook page, you can click on add new, and here you can see the person can manage task. So here you have to write their name, or you can even write their email so they can get the invitation. So let's cross that now. Here you can see we have the Facebook access. You can do the same thing over here. You can add the person to manage the Facebook account of the page. So I'm just going to invite a random person, and here you'll be able to give access. So here you have to click on this option for allow this person to full control. If you trust this person, or if you want to give the person all the access of the page. So here just click on give access, and you'll be able to give access to Facebook business page to this person. So that is how you'll be able to give access to Facebook business page. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.